A single sneeze rockets out of your mouth at up to 100 miles per hour, turning what seems like a small bodily function into the equivalent of a mini hurricane blasting through the air. This sudden force isn't just a quirky fact, it's a mini tornado of droplets and particles, each one carrying its own potential to spread across surprising distances. Imagine a burst of wind so powerful that it could rival a sports car speeding down the highway. But what happens to all that energy? It dissipates into the atmosphere, spreading tiny droplets over a wide radius, making each sneeze a fascinating and formidable force of nature. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, you're about to unleash a storm.